I'll let you, Your Honor, whatever you want to do.
Go ahead.
36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no smoking, no gum chewing, no drinking, no lounging or laying down, no driving or riding in a vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you. You ready?
Yeah.
Thank you. Mr. Potts, you can unmute yourself.
Okay, ready, Your Honor.
Okay, 1 second.
That's one. Okay, I'm good.
You ready? This matter is off our 1:30 docket. This is the matter of the People versus Philip Wright, ticket number P1190333. One count drove while license suspended. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Coleman Potts, P78607 on behalf of Mr. Wright. Your Honor, today's date and time set for arraignment in this matter. I just asked that the court waive my client's presence and set this matter for a pretrial.
At this time, the court will waive your client's presence and enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. You're requesting a pretrial in this particular matter. I'm going to set it for the date of December the 6th at 8:35 a.m. I'll set his bond at $0 person.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
You too. Enjoy your weekend, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I am ready.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good, good.
Are we unmuted?
We are now.
Okay. Mr. Walker?
Yes.
Okay, once we start your matter, you won't be able to walk around, sir, okay?
All right. Find a seat.
All right, thank you. Also, let me have you put your device back on mute until we, okay, cool. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
put you in with Mr. Willie Young, and then we'll put these three on the record.
Okay. Alrighty.
Hold tight, Mr. White.
Okay.
Attorney, one person, then we'll get to the matters, okay?
just email the state to see if they'll send some.
Yeah, Coach John. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Walker, you ready?
Yes.
You can unmute yourself.
No.
Okay, I'll wait for you to sit down.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. This is the matter of the people versus Delano Walker. This is ticket number P1170737, one count discharge fire. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Delano Walker.
Mr. Walker, can you state your name for the record, please?
Marlena Walker.
Your Honor, we're asking his matter be scheduled for trial.
Mr. Walker, is that right? You want to schedule this matter for trial?
Yes.
Yes. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you put your hand down. Mr. Walker, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me that you want to have a trial on this particular matter. Is that correct?
Yes.
Do you want a bench trial or a jury trial? Jury trial is between peers of the community. 6 members will be able to decide. A bench trial is before myself as the finder of fact based on whatever information and testimony is provided to me.
Bench trial.
Okay. All right. I'm going to set this for a bench trial on January the 11th of 2022 at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Okay. All right.
January the 11th.
Yes, 2022 at 9 a.m. Zoom back in. It's going to be a Zoom bench trial. Just get back online the same way you got on today, okay?
Okay.
But you want to make sure you're at a place where you can be still, okay?
At the same time?
At 9 a.m.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. I was saying you might want to think about getting a collared shirt too, okay?
Okay, I was at work. I'm sorry.
I figured as much, okay? All right. So there's nothing further. You got any more questions or no, you're good?
No, I'm good.
All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
All right. See you. All right. Mr. White, Damon White. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Mr. White, can you unmute yourself?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay.
Okay.
This is the matter of the people versus Damon White, ticket number P1062019. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel. I know he is not lying in the face.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Damon White. Please state your name, Mr. White.
My name is Damon White.
Damon White.
Hold on a minute.
Mr.
I'm sorry to interrupt y'all. Hold on a minute.
Yeah, excuse
Go
me.
ahead. Go ahead.
Mr. Darius Williams, I need you to sit up, sir. There's no laying down while on Zoom.
Get up, Mr. Williams.
I apologize.
All right, continue on. I'm sorry to interrupt. Can y'all restate your names for the record, please?
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Damon White.
Go ahead, Mr. White. Can you please state your name for the record?
Damon White.
Your Honor, there is a recommendation for a dismissal on both of his counts as a result of proper documentation, which he has in his hand. So we're asking for a dismissal.
And I am in receipt of the fact that both of these counts are being dismissed due to valid documentation. Mr. White, make sure you keep all your documents valid so this doesn't happen again, okay?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay, good. Well, stay good then, all right? If there's nothing, I know that's right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You're all set, okay, sir?
Okay, I mean, is there any other process I have to do after this? Like wait for some kind of paperwork from y'all, email or something?
You won't get any paperwork in the mail. You can go on to 36districtcourt.org. Sometimes there are reinstatement fees, Secretary of State reinstatement fees that I can't get rid of. And if you have any of those, you have to pay them, and then they send automatic clearance to the Secretary of State's
Okay.
office that allows you to apply for your license, okay? But you can go
Yeah,
on. That's what you're trying to.
Go ahead.
No, I'm sorry. I said that's what you're trying to do, sir. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm trying to just get the information so I can
Yep.
clear this, get this all right with the paperwork and everything. Where do if I have to pay reinstatement fees, would I receive some kind of paperwork clearance or anything else, documents?
No. So after we finish this hearing, or even tomorrow on Monday, but if you look up your name, I will wait until Monday. Look up your name on 36districtcourt.org. It's on the main page on the left-hand side. It says look up case. Look up your name for the case number. It'll give you information, and it'll pull up any fees that you owe. As soon as you pay that, our court automatically sends over the clearance to the Secretary of State's office, and then you can be able to apply for whatever you need through the Secretary of State's office, okay?
Oh, okay. So I can actually make printouts and stuff for that.
Yep, and then you can print it out yourself at home.
I have to wait till Monday?
Well, you want to give my clerk some time. You can go in and see what fees you already may have, but it won't show that these matters are dismissed right now because the clerk still has to put them into the computer system. So she's still working because we have other matters to do too, Mr. White. You're not the only person in here today.
No. I just want to take care of this as quick as possible. I have a day off work. I want to take advantage of it.
She said she'll have it entered in today. So you can look this afternoon, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome. I understand, Mr. White. I know you're trying to handle all your business, but let us handle ours to give us a little moment, okay?
No problem.
Okay. All
Just
right.
remember where I told you could pay, so.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
You want to stay or you want me to remove you?
I was trying to get back to the attorney. I want to ask her.
She's still here. You need to talk to her some more?
Yeah.
Well, you're going to have to do that. She has other people to talk to.
No, I just need her phone number and stuff for an attorney number. That's it. Her info.
Well, I'm house counsel.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, so just,
Do you have-
look up Rita White online, attorney Rita White, you'll find me.
oh, you have a number too?
Just go online and look up attorney Rita White. You'll
Rita
see my
White.
information.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Sorry.
Okay.
Mr. Willie Young, you can unmute yourself.
Okay.
Okay. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
This is the matter of People versus Willie Young. This is ticket number P10738848. One count, leave scene of accident, property damage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Willie Young.
And Mr. Young, can you state your name for the record, please?
Willie Young.
Yes, Mr. Young would like to accept the plea reduction to failure to obey school crossing guard.
Is that true, Mr. Young?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Hold on a minute. All right. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with the plea today?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Willie Young, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 29th of 2020. Were you driving a 2018 Dodge vehicle in the area
Yes.
of Oakland Boulevard? Were you in the area of Oakland Boulevard and Cloverdale in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And at that point in time, did you fail to obey a school crossing guard?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney White?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of fail to obey school crossing guard. Mr. Young, are you currently employed?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna assess the fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay, you sure that's gonna be enough time, sir?
I can pay it today, tell you the truth.
Okay, well, don't pay it, wait until we put it in the computer system, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make it due in 30 days, no later than November the 22nd of 2021. That way, if anything happens, you'll have a little bit of extra time to pay it, okay, Mr. Young?
Alrighty.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. White, I have, Ms. Washington, it's failed to display, so I don't think it's gonna go any lower than that. So I'm gonna put you into a room with her.
Is she on the iPhone?
She is.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'll put you into a room with her.
Okay.
Too, and I will pull you.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Darius Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
good morning, sir. How are
Good
you
morning.
doing?
I'm well.
Good. You have
I
to check in.
apologize too to y'all earlier. I didn't know how the app worked.
Well, you're gonna have to show your picture eventually, so that means I hope that you rose out of your bed. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, Mr. Williams, I'm gonna put you into what's called the waiting room. I'm getting offers from our city attorney, and then I put you into a breakout room, but I'll just put you in there for right now. What time is your matter scheduled for, sir? Do you know?
I think I caught. They said it was at 8:45.
You see him? Okay, yes. Okay, Mr. Williams, thank you. We just want to make sure we check you in properly, okay? So I'm gonna put you into the waiting room, and like I said, I'll bring you out when it's time for you to talk to the attorney.
Okay.
You ready on that one, Ms. White?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
You ready?
Yeah, I am.
This is the matter of People versus Carletta, Washington. This is ticket number P11511081. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on purpose. Appearances for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of Carlette Washington. Ms. Washington, please state your name.
Carlette Washington.
And Ms. Washington would like to plead to the failure to display.
Is that right, Ms. Washington?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Washington, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of January the 1st of 2021. Were you at that time driving a 2007 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And was it in the area of Gratiot Avenue and Flanders Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the police officer?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney White?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to fail to display a valid operator's license not on person. Is it that you don't have a license at all, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Are you currently working?
No, right now I'm unemployed.
Okay. How long have you been unemployed?
I've been unemployed since January the 18th of this year due to the fact that I was working for sanitation during the pandemic and the restrictions uplifted. So I'm looking currently for employment.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to assess a 20 hours of community service in lieu of cost and fines. And I'm going to give you until January the 21st of 2022 to have those 20 hours completed, okay?
Okay. Does it matter where I do community service?
It does, so I'm gonna give you a phone number. Do you have a piece of paper that you can take it down or something?
Yes.
Okay.
One second.
Yes.
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, it's the phone number 313-965.
Okay. 565
No, 965
965.
8130.
Okay.
And you're gonna talk to this lady, her name is Miss Green, and tell her that you need to do community service and you just wanna make sure you do it at a place that counts.
Okay, Miss Green.
And sign back in at that time, January 21st, 2022, and as long as you have done the community service, then we'll be all set, okay?
Okay, so sign back in to Zoom on this day of January the 21st of 2022.
Yep. Just to make sure that you completed, your community service. And if you still need help finding employment, hopefully I'll have a program by then that I can refer you to. We can try and get you some employment. But it's not, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Judge Taylor.
You're welcome, no problem, okay? So that sound fair? You good?
Yes, and I will get that 20 hours of community service finished.
I know you will. All right.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. All right. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. White.
You're welcome. Have a great weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Attorney White, did you get some more offers?
Well, let's see. Are there more in the waiting room? Because I just have, the last one was Mr. White.
Yeah, there are. So she just.
Oh, yes, I did get.
You should have got quite a few.
Okay. Yes. Let me print
All
them out.
right. Okay, I'll start bringing people in.
Okay.
And then so I can put them in rooms. Good morning, Ms. Wilkins. Oh, what happened? Hopefully she comes back. Good morning, Ms. White.
Good morning.
Oh, it's another White.
Oh, wrong one.
Sorry.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Ms. Khadijah White, I'm going to put you into something called a breakout room. The attorney is going to come in there and talk to you about your case today, okay? All right. I'm going to put you into room number 2. Ms. White, you can just go back to room number 2.
Okay.
All right, Ms. White, Ms. Khadijah White. Uh-oh, no, I put the wrong person.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Ms. Khadijah White, I'm going to put you into breakout room number 3. Okay, please join that room, and after she's finishes speaking with this other young lady, she's going to talk to you about your matter, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead, join that room. Mr. Eugene Watkins? Oh, God. Mr. Watkins, I'm gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. Nobody's gonna be in there with you. You're not driving, are you?
No, my mother is.
I'm stopped.
All right, once we get on the record, though, she's gonna have to stop, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, but I'm gonna put you into a breakout room for right now. No one's gonna be in there with you, but the attorney is talking to someone else, and when she finishes talking to 2 people in front of you, she's gonna come in there and talk to you about your case, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Also, I'm gonna need you to remove your hood as well, sir, once you get back on record.
All right, thank you, Mr. Watt. Please join that breakout room. It's asking you to join room 4.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Hello?
All right. Hello, hold on,
Yes,
Mr.
hold on.
Williams. Hold on. Ms. White, I'm going to
Yes.
put you in. White. Khadijah White.
Hello?
Okay. I'll go back in.
It's a different, I had Wilkins last time, sorry. All right. Mr. Kevin Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. Nobody's gonna be in there with you, but the attorney is gonna come in there and speak to you in a moment. She's talking to someone right now, and then she has
What
one
is her
person
name?
after that, and she'll be in there to talk to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so should I automatically?
Lynn Williams.
Please. Yeah, Williams.
All right. Ms. Westbrook?
Yes, good morning. I don't.
Good morning. I am going to put you into what's called a breakout room. The attorney is talking to someone right now. She has 2 other people to talk to, and then she'll be in there to talk to you about your case, okay?
Okay,
So just hold tight. Thank you for your patience this morning.
thank you.
And everything. So it's gonna ask you to join room 6, so she should be in there probably in about 25 minutes, okay? Just to give you
Okay.
time. Okay.
Thank you.
You.
Is it Charlize? Is it
I had
CHAR?
that.
Yeah.
CHA.
Okay.
Lily,
This what what time?
8:45?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mr. Woodruff, the card. Woodruff,
Thank you.
Yes,
hi, good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Good. I am going to put you into another room by yourself, sorry. But this time the attorney is going to come in there and talk to you about your case. She has about 4 people in front of you, but she's in there talking to folks right now about the offer that the city or the state is giving you. So just hold tight in this room. She should be in there to talk to you in about a
Yes,
half an
ma'am.
hour. Okay.
Okay.
Join room number 7, sir.
What's the name?
Come in. Hello. Hi.
Hi. Okay, you finished talking to her?
Yes.
Okay, hold tight in this room, okay?
Okay.
Charlize Williams,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
good morning. I'm going to put you into what's called a breakout room. The attorney is speaking to folks now, and so she will come in there and talk to you about your case and your matters, but just hold tight. We have a few people in front of you, but she is working her way through the rooms, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Right. Okay, Ms. White, I'm gonna put you in with Eugene Watkins.
Okay.
We'll set these right here. These are afternoons. Everybody's file is here, okay? So you don't need anything.
Put it right here. It's mine.
No. Is that Wednesday? I think that's the count 2 is dismissed.
The council is, have one person drive, running the offer.
I'm trying to take them off the people. Let me call John.
You call John?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll call.
You play with me today, are you? It's not on a Friday. That's how you go from the street. Like some weeks after, I don't know. Don't be mad, no. Figure it out.
They have. I called.
Oh, you want it to do? Okay, good.
Was it John that you needed or State?
I think it's done.
Okay, I called John, so
Okay, that's it.
I left a message for him. So anytime you need him, just let me know. I'll call State or John, either one. Okay?
All right, Ms. White, you ready for the next person?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in with Kevin Williams.
Okay. With who?
Kevin Williams, do you have an offer for Kevin
I
Williams?
don't. I just have West Brooks. Let me check my email. No, I don't. Not yet.
Okay. Okay. You have Westbrook, you said?
Yes.
Okay, I put you in here.
Thank you, Your Honor. I received it. Anytime. I'll show you time shortly. Like you in deep thought over there, D. So look like you in deep thought over there. You all right?
right, Ms. White, you finished talking to those folks?
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I said, did you finish talking to all of those folks?
Yes, I have.
Did you have the city offer with them too, or no?
Well, the thing is I don't, but on the main one with the city offer, we're gonna be scheduling that for trial.
Okay. All right, I'll see what's going on. I'll
Okay.
bring these people out.
And on Westbrooks, there's several that are not on the docket that are listed in the plea offer, but I looked them up and they are active cases, so I'm gonna ask that you abide by the plea offer. Or you go with the plea offer.
That's fine. See if I can get some of these folks back.
Yes, ma'am.
I need you to press *6 on your phone until it's *6.
Hello?
*6.
Sorry. Oh.
Thank you. All right, Miss Khadijah, Miss Lisa, Miss Khadijah White, you can unmute yourself.
Hi.
And stop moving, please. I done seen your whole house, and so has all of the internet. Everybody who's watching. You ready?
Yeah.
These are the matters of the people versus Khadijah White. Ticket number P11484381 count drove while license suspended, repeat offender. 1 count no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number 708614. 1 count no driver's license. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of Miss Khadijah White.
And Ms. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
Khadijah White.
How are we proceeding in this matter?
Miss White would like to plead guilty to the driving while license suspended city ticket.
Is that right?
Yes.
Is it the no driver's license or the driving while license suspended?
Driving while license suspended. The city ticket's going to be dismissed, or the state ticket will be dismissed, ending in 438. Or 2.
That's an improper place as you would like.
Yes, it is it says driving on suspended license.
Well, then that's an improper place. Is that okay with you, Ms. White?
Thank you, thank you.
All right. If you could raise your right hand for me, please, Ms. White. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. White, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
And understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to take you back to the date of December the 23rd of 2020. At that time, were you driving a 2011 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving it in the area of Burt Road and Glendale Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney White?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation Probable cause on accounts being dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates for driving while license suspended and dismiss the remaining counts. If I didn't state so before, ticket number 708614 was in warrant status, so the court is taking that out of warrant status today and dismissing this case along with the plea today, okay? I'm going to, Miss Khadijah White, are you currently employed? Can you stop walking, Miss White? Miss White?
No.
I know it may not be important to you, but it's important to me, okay?
It's important to me.
You gotta stop walking, you gotta like sit still and pay attention to court.
I am.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. Put a set of fine in an amount of $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
You said how much is it?
$200.
I could pay it today.
Okay. Don't try and pay it today. Wait until tomorrow at least. Or Monday, so that we can make sure it's in the computer system. I'm going to give you 30 days though, so it's due no later than November the 22nd of 2021. Okay?
All right.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. All right, you can sign off, Ms. White.
Thank you.
You okay, Ms.
Am I
White?
gonna receive an email or something?
No, Ms. White. So what ends up happening is that, are you okay first?
I'm watching it. I'm okay. I'm just watching a 1-year-old. She's just making a lot of noise. But I just want to know how am I gonna be able to pay it? Like, am I gonna get an email or am I gonna go on 36th District?
So, district.org, go onto the website, or you can physically come down to the court and pay it. You can also go to a DivDat machine and pay it, or you can go, those are like in the CVS's around the city, or you can even pay it from the phone, I've been told too. So you have lots of ways to do it, online, in person. You can call in and do a payment, or you can, go to one of those machines and make the payment. We're not going to send you anything in the mail, so you just have to remember to make the payment. And your name is good enough for you to get into the system and be able to make that payment.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you have any other questions, ma'am?
No.
Okay. All right. If not, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Well. Ms. Wilkins, you can unmute yourself. You see me asking you to unmute? There we go.
Yep. How you doing?
This is the matter of the people versus Lisa Wilkins. This is ticket number P108703. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel. What? Ms. White.
Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you.
Ms. White?
Ms. Wilkins?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, all right. I called the case. Do I need appearances for the record?
Oh, Rita White on behalf of Ms. West. Please state your name for the record.
Lisa Wilkins?
Yes. Ms. Wilkins would like to, she does have valid insurance. I was able to review it. Based on the memorandum of understanding, I'm asking that if you want to see it, as an officer of court, I have reviewed it and it is valid. So I'm asking for a dismissal.
At this time, being an officer of the court will accept your reviewing of the insurance and dismiss this matter without prejudice at this time. All right, Ms. Wilkins, you're all set. Thank you so much, and make sure you keep everything up to date and valid, okay?
All right. Thank you. Have a great.
You too. Have a great weekend.
Okay.
Mr. Eugene Watkins.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yeah.
This is the matter of the People versus Eugene Watkins. Ticket number P11465507. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. One count no insurance misdemeanor. One count improper plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Eugene Watkins.
Mr. Watkins, can you state your name for the record, please?
Eugene Watkins.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, we're asking Mr. Watkins' matters be set for a bench trial.
If you can raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Watkins, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial where I would hear the facts based on the testimony provided and make my decision. Is that how you want to proceed in this matter?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if so, I'm going to set this for a bench trial on January the 11th, 2022 at 9 a.m. I am going to set your bond at $0 personal. This will be a Zoom hearing, so you're going to sign back in the same way that you signed in today. And we will listen to that matter on that day. So January the 11th of 2022 at 9 a.m. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing.
All right.
Thank you.
Mhm.
One second, Ms. White. Ms. White? Rita White?
Yes, I'm here.
What are we doing on, just so I can know, what are we doing on Westbrook?
Your Honor, I did go, she's gonna plead responsible to the careless driving charge. But the main thing with the careless driving is it was in default. However, we're asking it to be heard today and the other 3 be dismissed that are asked.
Call the warrant on one of them. Some of those had city tickets. Ms. Westbrook, you got a city ticket as well with some of them. And so they want to amend it to improper plates on it's in warrant status. They want to amend one count to improper plates and dismiss the other count. But everything else will be dismissed. Did you want to go talk to the attorney about that, or?
You said improper plate?
And the careless driving.
I'm not sure about the improper plate.
Okay, I'm I know, I'm gonna give Ms. White the information. It's a warrant, it's in warrant status, so it's an older ticket. It's not super old, but older. It comes from May 17th of 2018. At that time, you were driving a 2005 Chevrolet vehicle in the area of West Grand Boulevard and the Lodge Freeway. And
I do remember, I paid, those tickets are paid. Is that not showing?
let me see.
I think I paid like almost $1,500 to clear up any. I just went on one day and just made sure I didn't have any tickets. But when I looked to see if it was any warrants from online, it didn't show anything.
Let me check. Hold on a second.
Okay.
These two are in warrant status. So when it's a civil infraction, it won't be, when it's a misdemeanor, it won't be, those won't have payments on it. They'll just be in warrant status. So they're in warrant status right now.
Oh, Lord, I don't even know. Okay, so how do I?
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the attorney talk to you. I'm gonna put you back into a breakout room.
Okay.
Put you on number 5. Does it allow you to join? Did you see that pop back up?
Yes.
Okay, join room number 5. And Ms. White, I know it was part of it. I didn't see one of the tickets. That's why I had to make this look at it. Those are in warrant status, and so oh, I was talking while you couldn't hear me. Mr. Darius Williams, I'm going to put you to what's called a breakout room. The attorney is talking to a couple of other folks, but we have an offer for you, so she's gonna be able to relay that for you. So it's another waiting room, but know that the attorney is coming in there to speak with you soon. So
Okay.
let me move you to that room.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna put you in room number 2. Go ahead and join it. It should say it on your phone to join that room. Ms. White?
Yes.
What do you want to do with her?
She's gonna accept the plea offer to the careless driving and improper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Ms. Westbrook, you ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
These are the matters of the people versus Randy Westbrook. This is ticket number P8 P863129, one count registration and or plate violation, no plate, one count no valid registration certificate. Ticket number P862366, one count failed to properly secure passenger child. Ticket number X, which is currently a default, one of the counts, but ticket number X38205524, one count no operator's license, multiple license, one count accident failed to stop and ID property damage accident hit and run, one count careless driving. Also calling case and warrant status P863365, one count drove while license suspended, one count no insurance listing. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Yes, Rita White on behalf of Miss Brandy Westbrooks.
And Ms. Westbrooks, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brandy Westbrooks.
All right. How are we proceeding today?
Guilty, I guess. Is that what I'm supposed to say? I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I'm asking your attorney how. It's okay, Ms. Westbrook. Take a deep breath.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, I'm pleading guilty. I'm getting this out the way. Okay. So at this time, you want to accept the offer from the state?
Yes.
All right. If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do. What's that
All right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You can put your down. 1 second.
Okay.
All right. I already swore you in, didn't I?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Westbrook, I want to take you back to the date of January 1st of 2021. Were you driving a 2005 Chevrolet vehicle in the area of M39 Freeway and Curtis Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were in that area, did you drive in a careless manner?
Yes.
Caution, do care.
Yes.
All right. And then on the date of May the 17th of 2018, were you driving a 2005 Chevrolet vehicle in the area of West Grand Boulevard and John C. Lodge Service Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you have improper plates because you didn't have any car insurance at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney White?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to accept the plea of responsible and the plea of, the amended plea of improper plates. Let me do this right. The plea of responsible to careless driving on ticket number X3820524 and the amended plea of improper plates on count 2 of ticket number P863365. All the remaining tickets that I called on the record today will be dismissed in relation to this plea.
How much she still? She paid a lot.
She paid a lot.
I got more.
You don't have more tickets. I just know that there are quite a few tickets still, and do you know you still owe quite a bit more money?
No. I don't know. No. How much more money do I owe? I thought I paid all of them. It's a lot. Oh, I need to.
What's your middle name?
Elaine.
That's what I thought.
From what year?
She'll have to go on the website and look at all that.
That's where I thought I called myself paying them from, the website.
it still shows quite a bit, and I don't know why. When you said that number, I thought, well, maybe you had paid all the amount. You want to go on the website, or if you even have some free time, you might want to come down here with the receipts of what you paid for.
Mm-hmm.
It's still showing about the amount that you said you already paid, so I don't know what's going on.
Okay, yeah, I do have it on my email. Is it even showing the one I paid for the 210 on there? That was from this case. It's not showing that either.
It's okay. I'm just telling you. So I do have to assess one fine today for careless driving. That's a civil infraction case. That is $210. Okay.
Okay.
Those have to be paid within 2 weeks from the date.
You said within 2 weeks from today?
Yes, because there is this by statute. So it's $210 for the careless driving. I'm going to waive the cost of the improper plates fee. You don't have to pay that. But I also
excuse me. Now that 210, if I have my receipt showing that I already paid it, or do I still have to pay another 210? Yes.
Well, it is a default, so you may have already paid for it.
Yeah, I know for sure I paid for it.
No, if they still saying default status, it's not paid. She could have paid.
One second.
Okay. Let's see. Where's my? Oh, I need.
It looks like you paid for this one. You are right, you paid the 210, but I don't know what's going on. It's saying that it's about 1,500, so still open. So you may want to come down there with the receipts. I'm gonna waive all your receipts today because you have quite a few are already. If you take care of all those costs and fees, I feel like it would be sufficient. So, or if you figure out what's going on with the rest of them,
I take it off my debit card so I could just print it out from there. Okay.
All
I'm
right,
just gonna come down there.
I was gonna say, my suggestion is to come down here and when you have some time and try and figure out what's going on and what was paid and what wasn't paid.
Okay.
I'm gonna waive your costs and fees on this case today, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome, and you already paid that careless driving like you said, so I can't double charge you for that anyways. And
Okay.
Fees, improper plates fees, so that you can figure out the rest of the stuff that you owe. Okay, Ms. Westbrook?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. No, thank you for trying to take care of these matters, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Oh, let me check.
All right, Kevin Williams, if you can unmute yourself, please hit the star 6, star 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Williams, for your patience. We're gonna call your matter now. You ready? This is the matter of the people versus Kevin Williams. This is ticket number P10866668. One count drove while license not valid or improper license construction zone. Also count number 2, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Kevin Williams.
All right, Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Kevin Williams.
Ms. White, did you speak to him already?
No, Your Honor, I also do not have an offer.
I'm sorry. All right,
Okay.
I'm gonna have, right now, his offer is to plead count 2, dismiss count 1. Join room 5, I'll put him in there with you. All right, Mr. Williams, she's gonna talk to you about your case right now, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is he ready?
Yeah, just checking if there's a plea offer that was, because I haven't received it. Or you could just tell it to me.
It's just improper, it's just driving unregistered or untitled vehicle.
Okay, so there's no offer, just no registration?
Just the count 2, yeah.
It's as is, okay. Okay, so let me talk with them real quick.
Nope, I don't see either one. I don't see neither one. Who's this?
You want me to, re-email them?
I see 2 counts for improper license and no registration. Is it just no registration we can go with?
Hold on, you talking about Kevin Williams?
Yes.
Does he have more than one case open right now? You have the license, improper license. And then the drove unregistered untitled vehicle,
Yes,
does he have another open case that I don't know about?
I don't think so.
Yeah, so it's just the drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. I feel like
Okay.
it's 0.9 extractable, I think it is.
Okay, let me talk with him.
Thank you.
All right, I'm ready, Your Honor.
I'm gonna have to talk to the other folks because they've been waiting for a long time. And
I
still got
apologize.
3 more people to talk to.
Okay.
Let me, those folks.
Miss,
The car,
okay,
you should have the offers now, you had offers?
let me check.
Yeah, 3 of them.
Yes, I do have the offers.
Okay.
Now I do.
What you in with Mr. Nakari Woodruff
Yes.
in room 7? All right, I'm gonna put you in with Elise Williams. Charlize Williams. All right, the last person is Darius Williams.
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing today?
Fine, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. I was trying to. I was calling back in because I had a court date and I had like a arrangement that I needed to pay the $170 by October, the end of October. And so I was trying to see that you said to join back in like a virtual if I'm having a difficult time of paying the money.
Who's your case? Miss White?
First fight. I don't have the case number. I apologize for that. But the traffic.
No, right.
I don't have the case number.
I'll give you a phone number, okay?
Okay. You said give you my phone number?
I'm going to give you a phone number to call. You ready?
Yes.
313.
Okay.
965. 2293. Call that number. We'll be able to help you out there, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, we're all set. It's time to close out all the loans. Bring it back in. All right, Kevin Williams, I'm gonna call your matter first. You ready?
Yes.
This is the matter of the people versus Kevin Williams. This is ticket number P10866668. One count of drove while license not valid or improper license. One count of drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Kevin Williams.
Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Kevin Williams.
All right, how are we proceeding on this matter?
Yes, Your Honor, I have received Mr. Williams did text me a copy of his registration and driver's license, which I am reviewing and looking at right now. As an officer of the court, they are valid. I'm requesting a dismissal.
All right. As an officer of the court viewing those documents, I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice, okay? Mr. Williams, make sure you keep everything up to date and valid, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Hello, you're good. You can hang up the phone, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Charlene Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you able to activate your camera or no?
I'm trying to. It's been giving me problems all morning.
Yeah, I wasn't able to work with the video with her.
That's fine. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, this is the matter of people versus Charlene Williams. This is ticket number P11511151. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of Ms. Charlize Williams.
Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Charlize Williams.
And how are we proceeding on this matter, counsel?
Your Honor, Ms. Williams did text me a copy of her driver's license, which expires in 2024. It is valid, and as officer of court, I'm requesting a dismissal.
All right. Having a valid document that has been shown to you, we'll dismiss this matter without prejudice. Make sure you keep your license up to date, okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
Mrs. Dakar Woodruff.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna call your matter now. You ready? Yes. This is the matter of the people versus Dakari Woodruff. Ticket number P11499984, one count no valid registration certificate. Also calling ticket number P11499969, one count driver's license never acquired, one count expired plates, one count no proof of auto insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Drakkar Woodruff.
And Mr. Woodruff, can you please state your name for the record?
Drakkar Woodruff.
How are we proceeding, Attorney White?
Mr. Woodruff would like to plead guilty to the improper plates ticket. Your Honor, with regards to the dismissals, the count 2 and 3 ending in 969 are in default. We would ask that you set aside the default and allow those matters to be dismissed, along with the also recommended dismissal on 984.
At this time, the court is going to set those matters out of default and allow them to be dismissed with this plea offer today, okay? Mr. Woodruff, are you able to activate your camera?
No.
Can you please raise your right hand?
Right hand up.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that taking a guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of December the 29th of 2020. Were you in the area of Evergreen and Joy Road in the city of Detroit driving a 2019 Ford vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you never acquire your license, making your license plate improper at the
Yes,
time?
ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney White?
Satisfied.
Is there stipulation for probable, the rest of the counts civil infractions? Okay, the rest of the counts are civil infractions, so this court will dismiss them at this time. Sir, are you currently employed?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna assess a fine in the amount of $200 today. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
3 weeks.
All right, I'm gonna give you 30 days then, okay? To be able to have those, to have that paid. So I'm gonna make it due no later than November the 22nd of 2021. You need to have that $200 paid by then, okay?
Okay, and make it payable to 36th District?
Yes, you can go online to 36districtcourt.org and pay it, or you can physically walk into the court. You can go to a DivDat machine around the city, or you can call in and pay it online, pay it over the phone.
Okay.
Okay, if there's nothing further, that can keep this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Of course, no problem.
All right, have a good day.
You too. And Mr. Darius Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I know you can get your camera activated because I saw you earlier, so can you activate? There we go. Thank you so much, sir.
Hey, good morning to y'all.
Good morning. Thank you. You ready? This is a matter of people versus Darius Williams. This is ticket number 455230. One count of reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Darius Williams.
And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Darius Williams.
How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Your Honor, Mr. Williams, we're going to be requesting a trial before your honor.
All right. Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, you had an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. You said
Yes.
yes?
Yes.
All right. That court reporter was taking the record, and he can't take, he has to be able to get the word. All
I'm
right.
sorry.
It's okay. And she's informed me that you want to have a trial before me. That's a bench trial where I will be the finder and trier of the facts in this case. Is that how you want to proceed, sir?
Okay. That's fine.
That's how you want to. Now you have the option to have a jury trial. That's where peers from the community will come and
No,
assess it.
I rather have you do it.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of January the 11th, 2022. Okay, that's gonna be. That's gonna be at 9 a.m.
But
Make
look, can
Yes.
I ask you a question?
You
So
can.
look, I'm trying to get this job, right? But they telling me I can't work because of this reckless driving because they did my background check. So do you think it's best to just get it out the way, or am I gonna have to wait all the way into January?
Your Honor, I did advise Mr. Williams of the offer, and unless we can see if we can work it out more,
5, 2, 3.
he's not open to accepting that offer.
Yeah, cause
don't
know.
make any statements. Don't make any statements.
Don't talk about the case because then I won't be able to hear it at the bench trial. But let me see if I can get you a sooner date.
Yeah,
that works.
thank you.
Oh yeah, that'd be perfect. Like
Perfect.
if it could be sometime soon, like next week or.
It can't be next week. I have to have a little bit more time than that, but I'm gonna try and get you pretty soon. Okay.
Okay. I definitely appreciate that. Definitely appreciate it.
right, Mr.
Yeah.
Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
as soon as I can get you in is December the 7th.
That's
That brings,
perfect.
okay,
That's
I was
perfect.
about to say
That's perfect.
the holiday and stuff like that, so you gotta give the court some time. December the 7th, 2021 at 9 a.m. We'll bring you in for a bench trial. Hopefully we can clear this all up. Now, it shouldn't be affecting your driver's license, but I understand that they may have just looked and saw this charge, right?
Yep. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so December the 7th, 2021, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. It's gonna be a bench trial that day, sign back on, and we'll try and handle that matter that day, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate you. You have a great day.
Yep. Okay, Mr. Williams, have a good day yourself, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
All right, bye-bye. Thank you. All right, and, I see you signed in, Ms. Rashonda Williams. It's 11:28. We finished our docket for the day, so I can give you a new date to come back. Uh-oh, I muted you, sorry. You can unmute yourself. It's on the first page, past the first page. Now, how does this work?
She can go to the first one
All right,
and then give her another day because it's no bond.
all right. Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right, you signed in a little late today, and so you have to go to the first floor in 36th District Court and get a new date to come back to court.
Okay, because I work late night, so that's why I'm late. I just got off for work this morning
What time do you get off in the morning?
at 6 a.m.
It's 11:29.
Yeah, okay.
All right, you want to take care of that though, because there is a warrant out there for you right now.
Okay.
You need to make sure you take care of that soon. We already downstairs.